Next in CSS, we are going to understand absolute and relative position. So here in body section, I am creating one div and assigning a class parent to it. So this is a class div to which we have assigned a class parent, which we are going to create now. So first of all, in head section, we have to give style tag, and within this style tag, before creating that class, I am removing all the margin and padding. I'm making it 0. So for that, margin I'm giving is 0 pixel, and along with this I'm giving padding of 0 pixel. Save, and after this I'm creating parent class, and I'm giving it a width of 500 pixel. Height is also 500 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid black. Save it, and right now our box is looking like this in our browser window. So this is our box which we have created. Right now we haven't given any positioning to it. Now here, if I give position to this box as relative, with this position we can set its left, right, top and bottom margins. So I have given position relative. So doing this is not going to do anything to our box. Now here I can set its margin, like here I'm saying that from top side it should be 20 pixels away, and from so instead of 20 pixel here I'm giving 50 pixel, and from left side it should be 450 pixels away. So right now we have only one box in our screen, and which is 500 pixel by 500 pixel, and from top side it is 50 pixel away, and from left side it is 450 pixel away. So this box is going to move relative to that window, browser window. This is our browser window, and it has moved here because we have given top margin as 50 pixel and left margin as 450 pixel. Now here, if I change the position from relative to absolute, it is not going to change anything. Condition will be same. Now here I'm doing it relative again. Now I'm creating one more class within parent class, and that is its child class. So in this div I'm creating one more class, one more div to which I will be assigning a class child. So this is another div inside parent, and it is the first child of this div. Save it, and here after creating parent class I'm creating child class, and I'm giving it a width of 50 pixel. Height is also 50 pixel. Border to 1 pixel. Solid black. Then background color we are giving is aqua. Save. So right now it is looking like this. Now this box is starting from here. It is not starting from the browser's corner. It is starting from the corner of its parent, because here we have mentioned that it is relative, and right now we haven't mentioned that here that its position is absolute. Even if we mention position as absolute, it is not going to change it. Its position will be same. because we haven't mentioned left, right, top and bottom margins. Now here if I give margin, like here I'm giving left, from left side I want that it should be 400 pixels away, and from top margin it should be 0 pixel. That means that box is going to move inside its parent only, and its top margin will be 0 pixel, and from left side it is going to move 400 pixel away. So it has come here. Here in child, we have mentioned that its top margin is 0 pixel. So it is considering this box as its parent and is moving according to it. And it is considering that this is 0. It is not considering that this is 0. Now, if here, if I change left margin to be 0 and top margin to be 120 pixels, so it will stick to its left side. So this is the left margin. It is not going outside this box because this is the 0 for this box. If I say bottom margin is 0, from bottom it is 0, and from top it is 120 pixel. Sorry, instead of top here I'm giving left. So it will come here. So this box which has position of absolute is moving relative to its parent window, because parent window we have given position as absolute, and to this box we have given position as, sorry, to parent window we have given position as relative, and to this box we have given position as absolute. So this box is going to consider this parent as its this outer box as its parent and will move according to it. For this box, 0 is this, bottom 0 is this 0, this point, left 0 is this point, top 0 is this point, and right 0 is this point, not outside this box.